Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated, and just if you want to turn it off, here press and hold for a while your home screen or another screen, that doesn't matter. And here you'll see the settings item. Just tap here once and go to the more section. Right there you will see the home screen section, tap there, and here we got the Google Discover switcher that is activated now. And just to turn it off, tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll go back, and now just go back again. And as can you see, when I'm just swap with my finger here to the right side, I can't open the Google Feeds. And if you want to just activate the Google Feeds again, go by the same way to the settings, here to the home screen, and tap again on the Google Discover switcher. And now we'll check. Yes, can you see, we just activated again the Google Feeds option. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.